Alright, so in conjunction with the last video, 2.250 billion years in one interstellar day, which is also the density of carbon, 2.25, because the universe is a carbon-based organism. And as I mentioned before, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 interstellar days, and 3 astronomical weeks is 1 interstellar day, and 9 galactic years is 1 astronomical week. And then the second row of astronomical weeks, 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on, and then 9, 18, 27, 36, and so on. Now when you run vertical or down, instead of horizontal, left or right, instead of an x-axis, go on a y-axis. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Now, running with all these numbers this way, because technically the universe just programs numbers in a ratio-metric kind of way, you end up with 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. Now, this is kind of off the subject, but now technically Earth is a eukaryote because it's one cell. It has its core, and then you have the Earth blobs, which are a type of endoplasmic reticulum or a type of organelle. There's a lot of organelles inside Earth under its crust and its mantle. So it's a unicellular mollusk because it's a pod of gas or gastropod. Now caves, they form cave pearls, the same way analogous to an oyster or a clam would form a pearl. Earth has its mantle, and its core is basically an iron star. Now, iron kills stars, but it doesn't stop there. Iron stars form, but they need to be insulated with silicates, which are insulators, or it'll freeze to death. And when an iron star forms, it causes a chemical star to form, which is a living planet, or a biostar. And the core itself regulates the homeostasis of the planet. Now, 6, 7, and 8 are carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, which is positive, neutral, and negative. I call that a biomolecular atom, because that's essentially what it is. It's 3 elements connected in a chemical sense, which is biomolecular because all life is derived from carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, like our planet, the pod of gas or gastropod. So this is a carbohydrate-hydrocarbon symbiosis, and or the circle of life. Not to mention this is supposed to be Mother Earth, which is X, and of course the clam, female, is a bivalve system connected with its umbo right here, and technically you would have umbra or penumbra, and umbro means shadow or shade. Umbro is also a brand. The hood. Gross. Just saying. It's female in nature. You have your polar opposites, North Pole, South Pole. Of course, you have the shade, which is the darkness, which is yin, darkness, earth, femaleness. So yeah, we live on a unicellular Mother Earth, which is a mollusk, a crustacean, a gastropod or pod of gas with its mantle, which is a type of bivalve system. Octopi or 8 pi is its circumference. And since it's unicellular, it's actually a saline cell or a blood cell, because that's what it is. It's an iron saline cell, just like our blood. It's iron salt water.